Is it filming?
Yeah.
Whoa, the ollie! Dad! Dude! You did that on purpose! What do you love about snowboarding?
Go away over there.
Okay, sorry.
Go away over there.
What up, Team Hawk House? We're at Copper, and today's special because we ride Copper all the time.
Yeah.
But this is Roman's first time at Copper. You excited?
Yeah.
New mountain? Let's go.
I can go big mountain today.
Are you gonna hit a jump today?
Yeah.
He's been asking to hit jumps. How big of a jump do you want to hit?
2 hours.
2 hours?
Yep.
Or the super big ones, right?
Oh. Super small ones.
Okay.
Cold. 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 Go. There you go.
Do you want this over your mouth or down?
Down.
Okay.
My head's not big, Daddy. Sorry.
How's it feel? You guys ready?
Yeah.
We also got Mael, Benton's fiance. She's just new, she's new to snowboarding too, so she's gonna tag along with us today since our pace will be a little slower. Oh yeah, dude. Let's go. No way, dude. Welcome to the chairlift, dude. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the first time we've gone up with other people with us. Who's with you?
Benton.
Benton. What does Benton do?
It did proper.
Benton backflips. Yep. Look at how cool this is. We're about to go see the big jumps. Look at all the park, buddy. Yeah, this is what Daddy snowboards.
Yeah.
Is that awesome? In case you have to stand, you can stand up. Roman, fall down! Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Alright guys, so we're gonna take Roman off his first box, his first jump, first run of the day. There with him? Yeah. Oh! He jumped off of it! That was insane! That was awesome! Okay, I had no clue he was gonna jump off the box like that, but dude crushed it. Alright, I got a little excited because he's been crushing it so much lately that I was like, we're just gonna rip up there, we'll kill it. This is too hard. We gotta go to the bunny hill. He's struggling hardcore, so I'm just gonna carry him down. Okay, so we made it to the bunny hill. I ended up just carrying him the rest of the way down. Learn from my mistakes, because once again, I've never done this before. Had a 3-year-old and taught him how to snowboard. Yeah, I thought like, okay, they're just greens, like we'll be fine, whatever. But it was the fall line, because he kind of just goes down the fall line, whichever way it's pushing him. So like at A Basin where we have been going, the fall line's pretty like just straight down. That's why Roman rips it so hard. Here, the mountain just naturally made him sit on his heel side edge. So he just kept going into the trees on the left side. And it was so much work trying to make it to where he wasn't gonna smoke a tree. I'm sweating like crazy, everything like that. So we made it to the bunny hill section right here. We'll have him do a couple drops here. We're not gonna go up the chairlift on this one again. I'm sorry. It's hard because like, he wants to hit the jumps. He wants to go up the chairlift. He's asking if he can go up the chairlift. And I feel bad. We'll get him there though. All right, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Whoa, the ollie. You did an ollie, dude. High five. I was so worried there was gonna be a hillside. Keep going, Roman, keep going. Whoa, let's go. See, he does so much better at his level. That was all Dad's fault. Dad wanted to take him off a jump. It is nice that Benton's here to help though. A little less work for me. We get better shots too. Alright, wiggle, wiggle. What? No! Really fall down! No! No! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Dad! Dad! You did that on purpose! You did that on purpose! You didn't want to stop? Sorry. You were just going so fast. He doesn't want us catching him. Maybe we try so his backpack has this really cool thing on the side and he might be ready for it, where there's little rings right here on the side of his backpack and it's on his left and right side, and you use it to make him butterfly down the mountain. Butterfly or falling leaf. So we'll try that this time, see how he does. I will say this carpet setup is horrible for snowboarders. I don't even know if we're even allowed. They might just letting us do it. But if you're a snowboarder trying to learn, this carpet specifically that we're on, not the move. You can't ride onto it and you can't ride off of it. You gotta walk. But only skiers can walk. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, good jump. Really fall down.
That's sick, kid.
You went so fast, dude. High five, dude. You killed it. You can hold the camera. Don't leave me hanging, though. Come on. Do you like holding the camera? Getting some selfie shots? Hey, get that out of my face. Wiggle, wiggle. Come today. You're gonna go. Alright, Roman's asking to walk. He's over. You did so many runs.
Yeah.
So much better on the bunny hill than on the big run. Lesson learned today. Where are you going?
I want to go in the chair.
You want to walk up the chairlift?
Yeah.
I got it. Ready? There you go. Dang, dude, you're going so fast. Just walking down now. All he wants to do. Which is fine when the little dude wants to walk. You let him walk. You did good today, dude. All right, little dude wants some hot chocolate. We'll see if they have it. Excited for your hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that cool chair. That's some good stuff. Look at all these marshmallows. Alright, we ate all the hot chocolate.
Wait, all the hot chocolate?
Yeah, we did. We're waiting for Benton. Benton's coming. So So right now Roman doesn't want to leave, right? He wants to keep snowboarding, but they closed so we went and got some hot chocolate, and then now they've closed the little magic carpet that we were riding. So he really wants to get back out and snowboard. But hey you, you. We're gonna come snowboard again, right?
No, Daddy.
No? So since the weather is getting warmer, we're gonna be bringing Roman out snowboarding a lot more. The big thing that I try to do is not bring him out when it's super gnarly and cold, so he's not miserable. On super toasty warm days like this, he's not gonna get cold, so being cold won't be a complaint, and then he won't associate snowboarding with misery. That's a big snowball. Whoa, dude! Oh, here. Whoa, dude! He kicked you guys. Why would you kick him? You kicked them. That was so mean. Hey, that's my snowboard. Hey! Hey!
Hey!
That's it. You're going down. Roman, fall down. What are you gonna do? Hey, you're still throwing snow?
Yeah.
Look at it. Whoa, you see that thing go? It's a snowmobile.
No more bail.
Snowmobile. You ready to go to the car? Yep, we're going to the car. See ya, Mountain.
See you later, kids.
See you, kids.
See you, kids.
So Roman snowboarded at 2 mountains in Colorado, Copper and A Basin, and I would say A Basin's got more for him to do. At least, I'm sure Copper's got multiple sides to do it, but what we rode today, like, I'd rather go to A Basin. But he did jump off that box.
Hey, look at that guy's snowboard, Daddy.
Yeah, that guy does have a snowboard.
Yeah.
But we do gotta mention today's sticker shout out. We're gonna shout out only Roman stickers in this video. So we got Tim Jones with the Lego sticker on the back of the car, looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging the Roman sticker. And then we got, hey, it's me, Austin TV, with the Lego sticker as well, guys. Thank you so much for snagging the Roman sticker. So what that is it's an Evolution sticker in the vinyl that Roman picked out. He picked out the block style vinyl, and if you do snag it, 100% of those donations go into Roman's college fund, or those purchases, donations, I consider donations, go right to Roman's college fund. So anytime you guys snag the Lego sticker, just know it's going to him. But if you do want an Evolution sticker, where are they? Or any of our merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the merch, just know you're supporting the dream. It's how I do this for a living. It's how I can support my family, Roman, and then the new baby on the way. So guys, thank you so much for snagging the merch, supporting the channel. Thank you so much for watching. This little dude shred today. He was killing it by himself in the proper location. So if you can take anything away from today, don't just take your kid up to the gnarliest thing. He can like stand on the board, he has balance, but he has no edge control. He's 3, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot he's not gonna have until he's a little older. I think next season's the season when all that starts to kind of click in his head. As for now, it's like, yo, I want to eat snow and I want to go fast. So we're letting him send it. But with that, Timo, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today, right?
Baby Shaka.
Say thanks for watching.
No, baby.
All right, no baby. Thanks for watching Roman rip today and eat snow. All right. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Time you need to have one foot unstrapped, okay?
Are you kidding me?